Hi guys, it's T.Hudson Angelic One. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about why our families are so separated. You know, back in the 1800s, we had good grandparents, great grandparents that was all about holding the family together. And then when we got into the 1900s, everything changed. It's like distance came in. Um, my spirit told me that most of that happened because of the pollution in the air, the poisons of our foods, the immunizations that we went and got. It brought separation and division, the television, and everything that was here to break us apart and separate us and cause us to operate at low vibrations. But in this 2020, we supposed to create the family that we want. Bring back that 1800 family through us, through our children, through our loved ones, and try to hold a solid foundation for ourselves. Our our people in family are so distant apart. That's not supposed to be a part of this spiritual awakening. You know, some of them are there and some of them are not, but we don't focus on that. We got to create our own and create our own solid foundation. Peace, love, and harmony to all of you guys. I hope you're having an awesome, beautiful day, because I'm just looking at the pigeons and everything and seeing how they all flock together, and it made me come to this right now. Peace, love, and harmony, you guys. Okay? I mean, just let's bring it back together. Let's take it back to the 1800s, okay? Goodbye.